All right, I got you guys a surprise. Sit down and we'll take a look at it. It up?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh! Strike. Strike two. Good job, Grace.
Success starts with yours. Let's get started today.
Nope. Nice. Home run, Lincoln. Oh. Good job. Good bunt. Oh, nice hit, Lincoln. Great job. That's right. Astros win.
To complete the Astros' third consecutive victory.